Another day, another bike. Okay, this is the Gotrax foldable electric bike. Very small bike, as you can see. These guys were the very first company to send me an electric scooter. Let's just open it up. Hi-ya! Woo! And what we got here is a very condensed, tightly wrapped up bike. They went P for plenty on the foam pads. I got a box at the top. Let's see what's in it. That would be the instruction manual, power adapter, toolkit, and a reflector. Come on, come on, come on, man. Unzip, tie everything out of the box. Whew. So many zip ties. One thing you don't have to worry about is anything getting scratched. They got this thing bundled up nice and tight. Okay, I've got the bike all put together. As you can see, it's foldable. Frame folds in half, seat comes out, handlebars up or down or come out. They adjust, lever up here, they adjust, move them front or back. They collapse down to the side of the bike. That back wheel just looks kind of out of place, to be honest. Kind of curious to see how that's gonna ride, how it's gonna feel. Disc brake, rear hub motor. You got rear suspension. Seat's got some shocks underneath of it. Heavily padded saddle. Disc brake in the front. You got 2 fenders, front and back, already pre-installed. Wiring up front is all wrapped. They give you a lot of keys. Half twist throttle, on button, got a horn on for the lights, gotta have the key for the bike to work. Pedals also collapse, go up or down. Single speed, and that's pretty much it. There's the first look. I'll have the full review up in about a week and a half, so stay tuned for that.